Hello, Team Winnie Love Love. Hello, welcome to my channel, Winnie Seattle, USA, and happy Friday, everyone. Hello, Kapu Bears. So here we are. We're going to the park, and we're gonna go chat. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys. I'll just do like this because for some reason it won't switch camera back and forth. So ito, let's spend time talking here. Ganda ng dagat, ganda ng beach. Tagal na ako din nag-stop by dito ulit. Tinamad akong pumunta dito, but anyway, kwentuhan tayo dito, ha? Kasi sabi ni Sir Elmer, ano daw, abutin ko daw ng 30 minutes para yun ang i-reply ninyo, abot ng 30 minutes. Nice. Tagal, na-miss ko tong lugar na to, upo tayo dito sa chair. Ang daming ano ng ducks, kalat ng ducks. Malamig-lamig ang hangin, mainit siya pero it's sunny day pero malamig ang hangin. So yun nga guys, dito lang ako. Yan, daming nag-i-enjoy na sila ng summer fun. Ang ganda, no? Boating. Maano yung maalon ngayon kasi mahangin. Napakaingay ng alon. So, yun na nga guys. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa Mother's Day weekend at dalawin yung mga mama ninyo kung nasa ano na sila, nasa heaven na sila. Pero hindi ko madalaw ang mama ko dahil syempre malayo, pero I just keep praying and talking to her every day para hindi ko siya makalimutan, di ba? Minsan mahirap kalimutan ang mama, di ba? So yun na nga, ang mga lahat ng mga sakripisyo ng mother, all the sacrifices of our mother, you know, and I have a really good experience with my mom when I was little. You know, she was very good in taking care of my needs, and she's always there for me. That's why we became close. She's like my best friend. But when I came to the US, we kind of a little bit distant because you know, we're far away. We don't really call every day. And then the last few years of her life, she cannot talk anymore. And so yun, maybe maybe that's why it was faster for me to recover, because I was used to her being far away. But I miss her. When I think about her, I really miss her, because I can still picture her original self when she was still walking and talking. So there, I hope guys you enjoy the the view there. Well, I hope you can hear me well. And yeah, so what did you guys prepare for your Mother's Day? But I'll just not talk about my mom only, my mom. But anyway, yeah, life this is kind of difficult these days because of the crisis, you know, the expensive stuff right now. So flowers are expensive. I don't know about there in the Philippines, but here it's so expensive. The roses are like, a bouquet is $50, $60, $70, sometimes $100. You know, so expensive. Especially if you buy it on the weekend of Mother's Day. So expensive. So just give them a card or chocolate, you know, you can do that. It's a cheaper, or you cook something special for your mom, maybe that is cheaper. The flowers, they die right away, you know, so it's better um, um, eating out. At least eating out is you can talk a lot, you can chat to each other, spend time, and busog ka pa. You makes you full also, then you save a meal. Diba? And you have an excuse to go to a restaurant. So it's so cold, so mahangin, here. Yeah, so cold. So yeah, it's hard to langoy there. It's hard to swim there. It's so cold. Yeah, yeah, you can sing to your mom, and yeah. But anyway, yeah, it's sad sometimes, like, to think that, you know, that when you think about it, our mom is not permanently gonna be there for us, you know. And it's hard to believe my mom's gone. Yeah, but let's talk about something happy, you know. Yeah, so what can we talk about? What can we talk about? What can we talk about? So let's talk about so ano lang, hanging out here, relax kahit na maginaw. Hindi ako nag-jacket today kasi mainit ang araw. Kung mag-jacket ka naman, mainitan ako. Ngayon lamig naman ang hangin, napakalamig ng hangin. So sakito all the way to Mexico. Sorry, nasanay lang ako sa na yan, yung biroan ng so. And yun na nga, ano pa bang natin, marami sigurong mga gumagala ngayong weekend, so enjoy your weekend. Ako lang ako, just showing the background and the sunshine, enjoying the nice day, and I'm happy it's Friday. Alam mo, pag if you're working, you know, every Friday you're happy. Everybody's happy on Fridays, because especially if it's you're not working over the weekend, you know, like you're always excited. That's why sometimes, you know, it's nice to just look forward for something that excites you, like Friday. When it's Monday, you just look forward for Friday, and it will really come so fast, you know. Just enjoy every day that you're happy, in good health, you're breathing, you're not, and just keep praying, you know, don't forget to pray, and try to stay busy para hindi ka malungkot at ano, and yun, baka nabibingi na kayo sa hangin, ano. So yun nga guys, um, ano, staying staying positive here, just go with the waves, ano, sa Tagalog pa, ano lang kayo sabay lang kayo sa agos ng alon, sa direction ng alon. Go with the flow, go with the flow na lang, ano, masarap mabuhay ng peaceful, pero minsan hindi mo maiwasan na magkakaroon ng problems, but God has always a reason why sometimes there is a problem, because sometimes you have a calling, you know, like you know, someday you will know the reason. I wish we can fast forward the reasons, you know, why is this happening, Lord, like I hope we can fast forward it so we know the answer right away, but we can only wait for his time. Things will happen in his time, and you know, God is just testing us. God is trying to make us learn from everything. Just hang in there, and also sometimes some important people will come to your life to because you met those people because of your trials, you know. Minsan kasi 'di ba, pag may trials tayo, minsan dahil sa trial natin may na-meet tayo na tao na biglang nakausap natin na ano ba, like, because minsan sa trials natin, sometimes hindi natin ma-realize may kinausap tayong ibang tao na because of that, you know. So yun pala, blessing pala yung tao na yun. So isipin lang natin ganyan, like the birds, they can fly to different directions, you know. Sinali pa yung bird eh. So that, yun na nga guys, ano lang tayo, stay positive, kahit na puro negative, stay positive. So ano lang, ganyan lang. One thing I like with May is because it's Mother's Day and my birthday, but not so much this year, but you know, life goes on. Yeah, my mom's gone this year for the first time, Mother's Day without my mom. My mom's first Mother's Day in heaven. So Mom, I hope you're happy there in heaven, Ma. Say hi to Papa God. Tell Papa God that I love him. I'm being thankful and mabait. So sana nandyan lang si Papa God palagi. Yun. At yun lang, kita niyo yung airplane, sarap ng magpakasyon, sana all. Sana madalaw ko Father ka sa August if God permits. So tayo malapit na uwian. Abutin na natin 20 minutes guys. Gusto ni Sir Elmer abutin ko daw 30 minutes. Wala na akong maikwento. Ano ba bang kwento natin? Yeah. Shout out sa mga Tres Marias, sa team Magaganda, sa team Winnie Love Vlog, sa team Puknot, team Tipok. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan, at sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko dyan dito sa YouTube and mga Marikoy, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan, at sa mga nanay, shout out dyan sa inyong lahat. Nay Joros, Nay Nida, Happy Mother's Day sa inyo. At sa lahat ng mga mothers dyan, Happy Mother's Day sa inyo. At ako'y giniginaw na balik na tayo. Sige, sama ko kayo sa aking paglalakad para abutin tayo ng 20 minutes. Abutin tayo ng 30 minutes. Sana magsulat tayo dito. Sarap sana lumangoy. Ang linaw ng tubig. Baka mahulog ko pa ng phone. Ang linaw ng tubig, no? Sana kung mainit ang tubig. Malamig kaya ang tubig. Malamig din. Trinay ko malamig ang tubig. Parang iniisip ko yung namiss ko tuloy ang Pilipinas. Yung dagat sa Pilipinas, no? Kaya lang maraming ng mga mga takiti ducks. Ilocano. Ang lakas ng alon, Dakelki alon. Musta mga oh my gosh, nakakatakot, high tide. Musta mga bakat lakay dita. na alam nyo ba guys na dito hinuhuli pag nakainom ka, nagdadrive ng boat, parang nagdadrive ng kotse. Pag lasing ka nagdadrive at mahuli ka, lagot ka. Kaya ano rin, maingat talaga kayo. Hindi porke nasa boat ka okay lang uminom kaya nagdadrive kang lasing. So 30 minutes naman, 20 minutes pa lang. So ito na, balik na tayo, kaya na tayo. Bagal ng oras ano, pero pag yung kailangan mong mabagal ang oras, ang bilis ng oras. Pero pag yung hinihintay mo yung oras, ang bagal. Ano ba yan? Ano talaga? Pag hinihintay mo, ano, bagal. So ang ganda ng halaman. Ang ganda ng bahay doon, no? Kita niya yung guys. Taas. Okay. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang dito na lang po. Bye bye. God bless.